All right, what's up, y'all? Shout out to longtime CBN member and Calculated Clean member Benny McCargo, who asked in Calculated Clean, does anyone know how to use the calculator when bidding on DayPorters? So I'm gonna show you real quick how to use the calculator for DayPorters. So first thing we're gonna do is click on calculators. I'm gonna go to the commercial calculator. And so typically a day porter, when they want a day porter, they'll tell you how many people they want working, and they'll tell you the hours that they want them working. So first, let me log in, right? All right. So if you know the amount of hours that they want you to work, so let's just say they want the day porter to come in, 5 hours a day or 8 hours. Let's do 8 hours a day. They want the day porter to come in 8 hours a day, and they want two people. Okay. So if they want two people coming in at 8 hours a day, you skip all of the square footage and all of that section. You come straight down to the estimated hours to clean the facility. And so if they want two people at 8 hours, then you put 16 here. Okay. And then you just simply charge based off of those 16 hours that they want the people to work. Now ask yourself, how much are you going to pay your workers? Let's just say you're going to pay your workers $15 an hour, so you put that there, and then calculator tells you how much to charge to the customer. All right, let's just say we change this. You see, if you pay your people 16, then the calculator will adjust for that. All right, but let's just switch it back to 15. Say you're going to pay them $15 an hour. And then if they wanted Monday through Friday, you put 5 days, because that's 5 days a week. If they wanted the 2 days, you put 2 days, all right? But we're going to put 5 days a week. And then here's the charge to the customer every month, okay? A lot of times with day porters, you might need to go a little bit on the lower side because of the fact that they could easily just hire janitorial people in-house, right? And so because of that, maybe you don't want to go, double whatever. Like maybe you paying people $15 an hour, maybe you don't want to charge the customer this though. So you can override this and let's just say you want to only charge the customer $28 an hour instead. And now you see your price changes, right? And you come down here, you can see your profit margin is 39%, right? Grow roughly 39%, right? Give or take, because we gotta, we gotta calculate and account for the cost of supplies, stuff like that. But roughly, you should be able to walk away with 39% profit margin off of this particular bid. So that's all you do. Whatever they want, like once they tell you the hours that they want your people to work, and they tell you how many people they want working, you just come in here, plug those man hours in. So again, if it was one person, it would have put 8. But since it was two people, I put the total man hours. So total, even though since it's two people, I had to do 8 2 times. All right. So hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully it wasn't too long. Hopefully it helped you. Thank you.